how to navigate visa sponsorship job process of becoming a registered nurse or a health professional in the USA. This guide breaks down the journey into simple steps empowering to pursue your dream of working as a nurse in the US with a confident step. Number one, meeting the basic requirements to kickstart your journey. Ensure you're meeting the following requirements: education from an accredited nursing education and license as a registered nurse as well. Experience: have at least 2 years of experience working as an RN. Step number two, getting your credential. The Commission on Graduates of Foreign Nursing Schools, your non-stop shop for the getting your international nursing credential in the USA. They evaluate your academic and professional credential to ensure they meet US standards. This evaluation is often a mandatory step for the obtaining your nursing license and work visa for the US. Remember, always check with your desired state board of nursing to confirm their specific credentials requirements. Welcome to Travel with Sannan bin Mansoor. Here I will guide you how to navigate your consultant without consultant and lawyers from your home country. I am providing free information. If you want more of this kind of information, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram and Telegram as well. If you want to talk to me, you can also approach me on my WhatsApp number. Step 3, completing an English language proficiency exam. Demonstrating English language proficiency is a crucial step for the international nursing seeking to work in the USA. Here's a breakdown of the most common English language exam accepted along with the score requirements. International language test system यानी IELTS is a standard test for the English language proficiency for the non-native English language speakers. The IELTS, the test, two choices: academic and general training. For the nurses, academic IELTS with an overall band score 6.5 and 7 in the speaking. It required US immigration purpose. IELTS also accepted as well by most board of nursing and licensing test of English as a foreign language test TOEFL. The widely recognized exam assesses your general English proficiency across reading, listening, speaking and writing. While score requirements can be very state a minimum total score to 550 to 600 on the paper-based test or 890 on the internet-based test. IBT is generally required for the nurses wanting to relocate the US. Occupational English test OET, unlike this and TOEFL, and is an English test especially designed for the healthcare professional. It assesses your ability to use English in real-world nursing situation. The minimum score required on the OET is a grade of C+. In the reading, writing and listening, and a grade A listening, B in B speaking and of English. PTE. The PTE is a computer-based exams that measure your English skills across reading, writing, listening and speaking. Generally, a minimum overall score 55 with no score below 50. In any of the individual skills is required. Please note that the English language proficiency test and score requirements can vary by state and specific health care. Always check with the relevant board of the nursing or employer for their specific requirements. Some states may offer exemption from these exams if your nursing education was conducted entirely in English, or if you are a country in consider English speaking. Step number 4, passing the licensing nationwide examination for the licensing or nurses of the United States. It plays a vital role in nursing a patient and safety, upholding the high standard of nursing practice the usual. Please note that the application process for the license can vary by the state, where you will need to contact the Board of Nursing in your desired state of participate to obtain a specific instruction and application forms outside the US. The NCLX offered internationally in the following countries: Australia, Brazil, Canada, England, Hong Kong, India, Israel, Japan, Mexico, Philippines, South Africa, Korea, and Turkey as well. So, finding a nursing job, now that you are nearing to the finish line, it's time to secure your dream nursing position in the US. The good news is that the demand for the skilled nurses is high, and many us here the facilities are actively seeking in international talent. At a global nurse force, we have helped over 20,000 health professionals secure life and career enhancing opportunities. We currently have hundreds of jobs available for the nurses throughout the US. We can find the best opportunity for you, one with higher pay, more benefits, and better hours. Step number 6: obtaining a work visa. Obtaining a work visa is essential for legally working as a registered nurse in the USA. The ensure to choose the most suitable visa option. Here is the breakdown of some common visa categories. H-1B visa temporary. The H-1B visa is a temporary work visa that allows to internationally educated nurses with a bachelor's degree in nursing to work in the US for 3 to 6. It's reserved for the specialty the nursing roles that require advanced education and skills beyond the standard RN. Nurses can bring their spouses as well and children as dependent on their visas. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe. Channel with Sannan bin Mansoor. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to share with the needy one. See you in the next video.